Hey guys, welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and today I just wanted to give you a quick update on the status of the Lanier Stinger 40 build. And we are done, guys. We're ready for the maiden next week. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around, let you guys take a look and see what it is that's done on it and how it looks, and we'll go from there, guys. So stay tuned from the intro, and we'll do the overview. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, and like I said, we want to get this Lanier build done as soon as possible, because as you guys are aware, I'm building my my Zenith Cruiser, and of course have the t-shirts here. They're for sale on Teespring, so make sure you check it out. Link will be in the description. But like I said, guys, we want to go ahead and take a quick peek here at the Stinger. Like I said, it's all done, ready to go. We are still waiting on a few things to dry, such as the canopy, and also I'm waiting on some Redline oil, because I like to use the Redline oil on my gas engines. But everything I have right now is all for the 35cc and larger that use 40 to 1, 50 to 1. This engine uses a very rich mixture for oil. It's 20 to 1. So I don't have any oil right now, so I have it on order. It'll be here next week, just in time for us to go out and maiden this aircraft and get the engine running right. So without further ado, let me go ahead and turn the camera around, let you guys take a look at it, and see what you think. Okay guys, so as you can see, she is done. Made some custom decals, Lanier, and I got the Stinger 40 on that side. And right now the tape is still on the canopy, holding it on there, because I'm still waiting for this canopy glue to dry. This is the RC, the Formula 560 canopy glue. Works really nice, dries clear. So we'll let that sit overnight. That should cure up pretty good. The paint on this came out pretty darn good, if you ask me. I got the two-part clear on there, as well as on the cowl. We were going to continue this blue stripe onto the cowl, but I figured why not just keep it normal, keep it clean, looking really sharp that way, and then the blue stripe starts on the fuselage and tapers off to the tail. Again, the engine that's on this is a Evolution 10cc. Now this is the version 2. That has the pumped carburetor, so no pressure fitting on the exhaust. So I went ahead and plugged the pressure fitting on this Bisson Pitts muffler. We are running a 12.6 propeller on here. The engine has already broken in, so it should be just fine. It's got tons of compression, so not a problem on there. It's a Zor. Got the fuel outlet right here. Wheel pans are now also installed, looking really nice. And those are the plastic one, guys. They come out really nice when you do them right. We got the seam almost invisible there. Well, practically invisible. I can zoom in on there and you still won't see it. So that's looking really nice. Checkers on the tail, checkers on the underneath. And right now we're running an FR Sky receiver with the Tyrannus Light. It's not running Access, guys. It's running the multi-module here on the back. For the receiver that's on there, because it's an older receiver. We'll come around to the other side, and I checked the CG. CG is balancing just slightly behind the spar. It needs to be either just in front of the on the spar, or just behind the spar, and it's just behind the spar. So we should be good. Engine cylinder hangs out the side there with the grommet protecting the ignition cable going to the cylinder. Now this is not the original Evolution ignition. It's I got it from Valley View RC, because the other one I had some issues with. We have the ignition indicator here, which tells you whether the ignition is on or off. So that'll be good. We have that also set to a channel on the radio, so we can kill the engine whenever we need to. So other than that, yeah, it's all set, ready to go. So next week we'll have a maiden video on the Stinger 40. So So make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you like what you're seeing in the videos, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys, where we're going to take out the Lanier Stinger and get her up in the air. So see you guys next time. Keep building, keep flying, and next videos we'll start looking at building that Zenith Cruiser tail stab. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of it.